I have to clean the camera of my... I'm gonna see if I can clean here. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. Hi guys, today is Saturday, it's January 15, and we are having a storm. We have winds like 80, maybe 90 kilometers per hour, and it's like a snowstorm. We don't have power. Our power went off maybe at 5 a.m. and I'm gonna show you how's the storm here in PEI. And by the way, we have one before that, 88 days ago. So I'm gonna show you how is the wind going. It's almost impossible to see everything white. So the wind just wrapped the paper of our garage over there. So let's go closer. I almost forgot to say that we're gonna have more 40 centimeters of snow. Here, I think I can jump in here. It's a lot of snow. So the wind is not too strong now, and I can show you guys how it looks like. It's like the quantity of snow is so much that it makes like walls. This is the entrance of my house, and there's like a wall in the entrance. I cannot go there with my car, obviously. This is the street, like the roads over here, and you don't see it because it's like my dog of course is having fun as always. Look.
Stop the clocks, it's amazing. You should see the way the light dances up your hair. A million colors of hazel, golden and red. Saturday morning is fading.
I'm thinking to just throw myself here in the snow to make a good video.
We were love drunk, waiting on a miracle, trying to find ourselves in the winter snow. So alone in love, like the world had disappeared. Oh, I won't be silent and I won't let go. I will hold on tight till the afterglow, and we'll burn so bright till the darkness softly clears. Oh, I will hold on to the afterglow. Oh, I will hold on to the afterglow. The weather outside's changing. The leaves are buried
here so beautiful. Looks like a wonderful wonderland. I'm gonna show you behind me. I don't know if you can see it. Look how beautiful it is. My hand's so frozen, but I can't stop. Can't stop making these beautiful videos. See? It's like a dream, you know. Look up here. Look how beautiful.